What if I told you that today, guys, we're touring a 3-bedroom condo in Edgewater with, get this, a private elevator access straight to the units, some of the best amenities that the city has to offer, and a priceless water view, all for just $950,000 to purchase or $5,000 a month to just rent. The building that I'm referring to is called Biscayne Beach. It's located in the Edgewater neighborhood, which is just a short 5 to 10 minute drive north of downtown Miami. And look, guys, I love this neighborhood. I love this building, and I love making these videos. So without further ado, let's get started.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another video. If this is your first time to this channel, my name is Vargas. I'm a residential real estate agent here in the Miami area, and I truly believe that there is no channel on YouTube better than this one for providing you guys with more information and more property tour videos of the Miami area than this channel right here. So if you want to see more property tour videos, and you want to understand different Miami neighborhoods and the Miami culture better, you want to get to know me better, then subscribe to the channel, click that notification bell, become part of the Miami property tour community, and thank you guys for doing that. Now back to the content.
Honestly, me talking over this video is just a disservice, as the beauty of this condo with its floor-to-ceiling windows and endless water views speak for themselves. But before you get lost in these views, let me just give you the quick specs of this property. As I mentioned, it's a 3-bedroom condo, but it also has a den, which to me is perfect for an office, especially now in this new normal that we're living in, this new remote work-from-home setting. But aside from that, it also has 4 full baths. This stunning condo comes in at just under 1,700 square feet, so as far as condo living is concerned, this has plenty of space to stretch your legs. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about this space, so with that out of the way, enjoy the rest of this video.
So what do you guys think? I personally love Biscayne Beach. I love Edgewater. I think that the Edgewater area, in terms of other areas in Miami, gives you tremendous value. I mean, in order to find a building in this location with this caliber of amenities and finishes, with in many cases water view, for this price point, whether it's for purchase or for sale, I think you're hard pressed to find something that's similar, comparable in terms of different areas in Miami that can match this price point. So I always point out my clients to come check Edgewater out because, you know, even though it's not as walkable as other areas that many people want to be in, I think in terms of the value, it's very hard to beat. So if you're interested in buying or renting, the Miami real estate market is just heating up. So just PSA, right now of recording this video, it is March of 2021. And the current state of the market is that everybody seems to be moving here. Let me lower this a little bit. Everybody seems to be moving here, and things have just been really getting crazy, both in definitely the purchase market and in the rental market, short-term and long-term rentals. So it seems like we've just been getting an influx of new residents, which is always cool, but it definitely puts a strain on the inventory. And I think that it's only going to continue to get worse. So if you're interested in buying or renting, then you definitely want to do that sooner rather than later, because I think the next wave is coming. So feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions about buying or renting in the Miami area, and I'll be happy to help you guys out and put you at least in the right direction to see where you can go. Last thing, if you guys are interested in seeing other areas and other property tours and neighborhoods, let me know in the comment section below. I've been getting a lot of requests for like Midtown, South Miami, Kendall, Doral, you know, different areas that I know very well, and I definitely want to do property tour videos. I just don't know which area to do. So if you guys want to help me out, let me know in the comment section below. The area that gets the most interest is obviously the one that I should be doing videos on, because I want to cater to my audience and see, you know, what you guys want to see. Ultimately, that's what, you know, I do this YouTube thing to kind of inform people and, you know, get the word out, but it's really just kind of, it goes in the direction of where people want to see. Either way, thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you guys for your viewership, your support. If you haven't done so already, you know the deal. Subscribe to the channel, like this video, help me out with YouTube. It lets me get my video out to many more people as possible. And yeah, thank you guys for tuning in week in and week out. I see a lot of the same people that continue to comment and support every single time I post a video, and I truly love that. It just means the community is growing, and I just want to, you know, continue to encourage that participation and that, I guess, feedback within the community, if you can even call it that. I know we're small now, but you know, it'll grow hopefully. So yeah, I appreciate that. Appreciate everybody. And yeah, guys, I'll see you all next week. Take care.